See Today's senior business correspondent Aline Wiratmaja is here with us to provide her insights on this for us. So Aline, did the numbers beat market consensus?
Hi, Rory. Yes, it did. So Indonesia's trade surplus increased sharply to 3.83 billion US dollars, as you mentioned, in February 2022, a 96% increase from 1.96 billion US dollars in the same month of the previous year or year on year. And yes, the number beat market consensus of 1.66 billion US dollars. So for 22 consecutive months, Indonesia has booked trade surplus. And this was also the largest trade surplus since November 2021, Rory, amid rising commodity prices and robust global demand. And before the Russia-Ukraine crisis in late February, exports, we can see the figure here, gained 34.14% year on year to 20.46 billion US dollars. Indonesia's export was supported by above non-oil products 35.24% and oil and gas products 15.6%. Rising commodity prices, Rory, like coal, tins, copper, nickel helped increase Indonesia's export value. Indonesia coal export value surged 75%, and copper export value soared 319%. Imports, if we can see here, rose at a softer 25.43% to 16.64 billion US dollar, the slowest growth in 12 months, with purchases of non-oil and gas growing 14.84%, oil and gas surging 122.5%. Indonesia's Central Statistic Agency (BPS) indicated that the geopolitics crisis in Ukraine may have a very limited direct trade impact to Indonesia. It is the southeast largest economy because the shares of exports to both countries, Indonesia and Russia, were less than 1% as it did with the imports. Rory, back to you.
So as you mentioned that we've got two consecutive trade surplus in previous months, but how's the trade surplus affect stock market today?
Okay, Rory, interesting questions. Well, unfortunately, the much better than expected number could not help Jakarta Composite Index close the trading in the positive territory, Rory. Despite starting the day in the green zone, Jakarta Composite Index fell due to strong sell-off of energy stocks. Jakarta Composite Index ended the day lower by 0.49% at 6,918. Massive foreign inflow, which was marked by 3.1 net foreign buy in all market, also offers little respite in Tuesday's trading, Rory. On top of the list of foreign net buy, where we can see here Bank Rakyat Indonesia 857 billion rupiah, Telekomunikasi Indonesia 622 billion rupiah, and Bank Central Asia 466 billion rupiah of net foreign buy. And talking about BBCA, Rory, BBCA closed higher today by 0.93% at 8,150, making its market capitalization booked a new record surpassing 1,000 trillion rupiah. This is big. 1,004 trillion rupiah to be exact, Rory. So this is the biggest stock market cap in Indonesia.
Wow.
BBC's market cap is 11.5% of all stocks listed in Indonesia Stock Exchange. If we compared it to our gross domestic product, BBCA market capitalization equal to 5.9%
Wow.
of Indonesia GDP in 2021. So
Aline?
flashback, Rory, actually on the 2nd of March 2022, BBCA market cap hit 1,000 trillion rupiah during intraday trading, but it failed to maintain the record until the closing bell. So this one was different because it maintained the market capitalization until the closing bell.
Aline, this is a very quick question for you. So if the stock price of energy sector is, tumbles today. Like some of these stock reach the below auto rejection or ARB, we may call it in the Indonesian market term. Do investors need to channel their investment from energy sector to other sector, for example, banking or other sectors?
Well, it depends on your time horizon. For example, if you still believe in the future of the commodity stocks, you can like buy in the dip.
Mm,
But it depends on your dry powder
mm,
or your cash position.
right,
If you think that this is bargain enough, you can add some position in the commodity stocks. But for those who have like shorter time horizon,
mm-hmm,
maybe you can just follow the trend or follow where the sector is being, I mean, where the foreign inflow goes. It's easy. Like right now, from commodity stocks, the foreign inflow right now is in the blue chip banks,
right,
like four big banks in Indonesia,
okay,
mainly BBRI, BBNI, BBCA, and BBRI, and also strong foreign inflow. Also, we can find in TLTM.
mm, mm.
So
All
yeah,
right,
you can follow where the big money is. The foreign inflow is the easiest one to follow. But if you want to have another option, you can also look at a property sector.
mm.
It has, I mean, yes, it started to gain some traction among the investors right now.
Right, right. Aline, thanks so much. So at the end of the day, stocks is about midterm and long-term investment, right? So thank you for the insight that you gave us today with your